Hey guys, Frugal Guru here. How are you? I'm in Blue Ridge, Georgia, or just north of Blue Ridge, Georgia, and welcome to my flip. This beauty can be yours in about 60 days. Hey, I'm going to take you on a journey. For those who don't know me, I am a real estate broker. I have been a broker for about 25 years and a real estate investor, and I've been flipping properties for about 25 years. Um, this property is one we just got. My friends are always telling me I don't document properties, so this is for you guys and for everybody in the YouTube world. So we're going to show you today what's going on, what the before looks like, and then we're going to document this thing over the next 60 days so you can kind of see what goes on with the flip and how it really goes, because what you see on HGTV isn't what really happens. It doesn't happen in 30 minutes. It never does. It never will. And you don't usually make $4 million on each flip. So here we go. We're going to get into this, and y'all please let me know in the comments if you want to see anything extra or anything that I'm not showing about the house. Let me know. Okay, let's go. So this is the beauty I've been telling you guys about. It's actually a nice little house. It's just, it needs a lot of TLC. It's not been cared for, and it's gonna need, a lot of TLC. It needs paint. It needs a complete demolition. I'm just kidding, but it is in need of some pretty good work, and I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna try to do to this thing. The house is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. It actually has a 1-car garage, and it does have a nice deck. It's on 2 acres and does have a nice wraparound deck, which we're going to have to do a lot of work on. But my painters are here today. We're doing some work on the siding. You can tell kind of what the new color is going to look like, but yeah, this is how it goes. This thing hasn't been painted in probably 20 years, so it's going to take 3 or 4 coats probably. Let's go to the inside. We're going there. So welcome to our humble abode. It's actually nice on the inside. It has tongue and groove yellow pine siding. It has a very nice couch. Anybody want a couch? It's beautiful. And it's a sleeper couch on top of that. So walking in from the family room, this is the kitchen. It's a small kitchen, but we're in the mountains in North Georgia, so that's kind of what happens here. This one has tile countertops, some old stainless appliances. We're going to replace those with granite and some new stainless appliances. This is our little eat-in kitchen area, which is nice if you're in the mountains and wanting to eat something. And then from there you go into the master bath, or your guest bath, I guess, depending on who's using it. And they've painted the vanity and the tub surround a beautiful puke green. Sorry, but that's kind of what it reminds me of. But we're gonna repaint that, resurface the tub. Not sure what's going on there, but we're gonna take care of that. Here's the shower. It does have a walk-in shower, complete with beautiful flower arrangement. How about that? Don't get that every day. And this is the master bedroom. It's just a small bedroom, but it's plenty good size for a mountain cabin. And then we come back into the family room for that, and then we'll meet again back upstairs. Okay, coming upstairs. Immediately you walk to the left is one of the guest bedrooms. It's smallish, but again, it's a mountain cabin. It's probably going to end up being a rental, so it's perfect for that kind of purpose. And there is a small deck outside of this, which is really nice for sitting up here, maybe dinner for two on the balcony. But it's nice, and it's a wooded lot, 2 acres if I haven't mentioned it, but yeah, very nice. And then out of here we walk into the guest bathroom. Again, we're going to change out faucets, lighting fixtures, countertops, pretty much everything in this property. So we did set off some flea and roach bombs a couple of days ago, and in case you were wondering, it also does a great job on scorpions. Scorpions, anyone? We've got them. Come and get them while they're hot. So here's the vanity again, and then there's a nice I guess you'd call it a catwalk that goes over the family room from up here and goes into the 3rd bedroom, which is an over the garage loft type bedroom. And again, we'll just be replacing ceiling fan. You can tell it's kind of got that helicopter look. So again, we're going to be replacing that. Okay, folks, so that was a grand tour. Trying to make these things as short as possible because YouTube videos that go on for 35 minutes drive me crazy. So I'm going to try to make mine as short and to the point as possible. If you have any comments or if you have any suggestions for what I can do to make it a better video, or any information you'd like to know about the house or how we do things, feel free to comment down below. And also subscribe to the channel if you can. If you like what we got, give us a thumbs up. If you don't, at least let us know why you're giving us a thumbs down. And I think that's it. Until next time, we will try to keep you updated, and I will probably give you more about my story, probably in a video coming later on in the next couple of weeks. So look for that, and I'll answer any questions anybody has about how my real estate career started, how it went, and then we'll be doing some videos on how to be frugal in these economic times we're in. So feel free to ask us any questions, and thanks for watching. All right, rock on.